So I have received this huge box, and I am really excited to open it up. Here I have an humongous orchid order, and as I said, it will be very nice. Now this unwrapping will take some time, so I will speed this process out. Okay guys, these are coming closer and closer. I will give you a little head up. Here I have a beautiful Vanda orchid in bloom. So I'm quite excited. So beautiful, but I'm not really sure how to unpack it. Gorgeous, guys. Bring you closer. This is the first Vanda. She's a bit damaged from the transport, but that is okay. Or the blooms are a bit too cold, so my guess it is that they will blast, unfortunately. But at least for 1 or 2 days I will still have this beautiful orchid in bloom. It is very healthy. You can see the foliage is huge, and the root system is also huge. Here we have a few dried stems from when the orchid was in spike in the past, and I see I'm trying to see if I have other tiny spikes coming, but no. So right now I will go and hang up this orchid from somewhere, and I will come back in a moment. Okay guys, so we are back. We will continue to see what else we have inside. Okay, I think I know what this is. A gorgeous orchid which I had in the past, and unfortunately it died. It came from Claes and Orchidian, and it was sick. All the orchids from them were sick, so I'm not ordering again from that company. Oh, by the way, I think I didn't mention, this is an orchid order from Secret Garden here in Romania. My cat is super excited by all these wrapping materials. Sorry guys. Let's see. Oh, I thought it was another orchid. No, this is something else. I hope you are seeing the beautiful blooms. They are quite interesting. The lip is very spotted and pretty. Never seen this orchid before, and I was honestly expecting it to be a larger orchid, because by the pictures I have seen, because this orchid company is posting real pictures with the orchids, I thought the orchid was like in a 12 centimeter spot or something by the source, but this is a small one of 9 centimeters I think. It doesn't matter, I'm not upset by that. I was just surprised because the orchid is very, very healthy. Okay, it is a miniature orchid from Landsbergen Orchidian. Yeah. I never saw this orchid before, and it has a ton of fruits, a ton of new growth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6 new growths at the moment. So that is quite nice. Unfortunately, the blooms are quite they are fading, so we won't see them for much longer in bloom, but they're indeed very, very beautiful, and the pseudo bulb is quite small. I was expecting to need to put this orchid in a very big pot, but right now I think it will be happy in a 12 centimeter spot. I will give you another close-up with these beautiful blooms. Let me know if you know her ID, because I really don't know it. Alright. the beautiful Masdevallia Iwanagara. The red is so beautiful, so fiery, and I have 3 blooms. Sorry about. And a spike, and we can see the plant is very healthy. Now let's completely unwrap it. You know what, I will bring the scissors to open this one up. Because she's quite loose inside the pot and I really don't want to disturb her right now. So I will cut very, very gently. I wanted this orchid so much, and I got her in the past from Claes and Orchidian, and that one was sick, but this is very healthy. It has roots, stiff roots, and a ton of new growths. Here I have another spike. This is a cool grower, and yeah, we will see how she does. She will actually go right now into my bathroom because that is the coldest place that I have, and that one also has a lot of humidity. So I will go now and put the orchid there, and I will come back. Another close-up. I'm not sure how my camera is messing up with this beautiful red, but believe me, is the most pure red that I have ever seen in an orchid flower. And here we are, guys. This is the last orchid. I'm trying to see which is the top and which is the bottom, but I still cannot see that. She's so beautiful. Let me show you. There she is, another beautiful Vanda. Let's completely unwrap it. Gorgeous orchid, absolutely gorgeous orchid. I have seen this orchid in the past. I have actually seen it at an orchid show in London, and I didn't bought it because I was traveling, and I thought it would be too big to take it on plane, and yeah, now I have it. Let's see, spikes. Has a little bit of a spider web there, but it is okay. And it seems that this is the second blooming of this orchid. Yeah, this one seems to have fared the transport a lot better than the other one. This meaning that the other one, it is a warmer grower and this is a cooler grower, because I see the orchid fared a lot better the transport. These are the roots, a lot of beautiful roots. Here I have a little mutation on this root, which is okay, no problem. Yeah, she's so healthy and I am so happy. Here it seems that she wants to produce another little root. Oh no, it has bloomed in the past 1-2 more times, then she skipped a bit and now she bloomed again, and I have so many beautiful blooms. The blooms have a very dark indigo color, kind of purplish actually, and are very large. Again, I don't know her ID, but I hope I will find it out. She is so healthy and beautiful. Thank you so much. I am very happy with this order, and yeah, what can I say? You will actually see how I will choose to pot these orchids, and yeah guys, this has been the video for today, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching and see you all next time. Bye!